If you're like me, you probably are still using Adobe Flash. Even with the release of Animate, I still use Flash because there are a lot of tools I still enjoy, which are extensions. Basically, extensions are plugins, but these tools doesn't come with Flash itself. Instead, they are made later on to emphasize or extend what the program can do. Installing this extension in Adobe Flash sometimes is a pain in the butt. Sometimes even if you use Adobe Extension Manager, you still can't get it to work, facing errors like this. And so in this video, I have two tools that you can use to install those extensions. The first one is called Zxp Installer, and this is how it works. You just drag and drop the extension in here, and then boom, it's installed. Now keep in mind, you cannot uninstall with this tool, you can only install, and that's where the next tool come in, and this one is called Uninstall Extension Manager. And you see I have right here Adobe Flash, and these are the extensions. And oh, I forgot to mention, you can also install commands using the Zxp Installer. And then when you want to get rid of it, you come here to Uninstall Extension Manager and you can uninstall it. And that's it for this video. I will have both of these tools linked in the description for you to download, which is why you should subscribe, like if you like this, share, and I will see you in the next one.